What's up? Welcome to another video, but this time it'll be a little bit different from my last realme review. It's a short video showcasing the capabilities of the Realme 9 Pro Plus at night. And yes, I'm using the Realme 9 Pro Plus as my microphone. Let's talk about the overall quality of this phone's camera. It's 50 megapixels and has great low light capabilities. Noise is well controlled, especially with available light, though sometimes it couldn't handle extreme darkness that well. But still, for night photography with available light, it performs well. It's also actually quite fun when you take photos. The AI technology of this phone processes the image you captured and gives you crisp and high-quality photographs that is almost at par with professional mirrorless cameras. Now, let's talk about my favorite feature in this phone. It has preset modes specifically for night and street photography. Yes, it has professional mode or manual mode, but for me, using a phone for photography should be all about ease of use. I take out the Realme 9 Pro Plus for moments that need to be captured right away. And having these is perfect. For the street mode, I use the neon trail a lot. It stacks multiple captures in a few seconds and creates these nice light trail images. And when it's not that dark yet, I use the rush hour mode. It is a second of exposure, and for moments that are still a bit bright but still want those motion blur images, this is the mode you'd want to use. There's a lot of in-depth reviews about this phone, but I choose to highlight and show you how it handles low light. And for me, it's a great phone camera and will always be in my pocket. And that's it for this video. I hope you were able to see the Realme 9 Pro's capabilities at night. Thank you for watching and enjoy a few more photos taken with this phone. See you on the next one.